Originally founded in 1968, Continental Controls Corporation is an award-winning designer and manufacturer of fuel controls in the gas turbine industry. All of our products are designed by our own in-house engineers using 3D modeling programs. We then take the finished designs to our CNC machines where we produce our entire line of fuel control products. We've designed and engineered a voice coil actuator for fuel valves. Just one small example of our progressive engineering here at Continental. Along with our progressive engineering, we are certified ISO 9001, so you can always be assured of our high quality and reliable products. We have fuel control products for almost all gas-burning turbines or gas engines. All of our gas turbine valves are based on flow control. These valves include a very accurate measurement of flow, which includes a flow calculation of current flow consumption. Our innovative approach to biofuel requires no modification to the diesel engine while allowing substitution of close to 70% of the diesel fuel with cleaner and more cost-effective fuels. It is our goal to provide state-of-the-art, innovative, and reliable systems and components that will advance gas turbine and gas engine reliability and efficiency. Continental Controls Corporation, the leader in fuel control for gas engines and gas turbines.